Some Windows 11 users have complained about an issue of seeing an annoying test mode message on their desktop. If you are seeing a similar message on your computer, don't worry. In a few steps, you can remove the text message from your desktop. Remove test mode message using CMD. Method 1. Step 1. Click Search icon on taskbar and input CMD in search box. Choose Command Prompt from search results and then select Run as administrator on the right, entering CMD panel. Step 2. Type bcdedit set test signing off command and then hit Enter key. Step 3. This operation has been finished if you get the following message. When you see the confirmation message, the operation was completed successfully. Close Command Prompt window. Now restart your computer to complete the process. Method 2, Step 1, as in Step 1 of Solution 1, run Command Prompt as administrator. Step 2, input bcdedit, set nointegritychecks off, and then press Enter key. Step 3, wait for a while, and you will see the information, this operation is complete successfully. Step 4, reboot your computer to disable Windows 11 system test mode completely, and watermark disappears from screen. Now restart your computer to complete the process.